What's up, guys? Trill here, better known as Budget Bill, and it's back again, guys. The Kroger earned 4 times the fuel points rewards by buying gift cards at your local grocery store. Yes, it's this weekend only, so we only got about 2 days. It started today on July the 19th through July the 21st. But don't worry, they bring this deal back all the time, but I wanted to make you aware of it in case you didn't know about it. So yes, you need to go out today and go to your nearest Kroger, sign up for the membership if you're not already a member, and download the app on your phone for number 2 so you can apply the coupon to your membership and you can purchase your gift cards at Kroger. Now what this is, they are offering you for any Visa or Mastercard gift cards, you're going to receive 4 times the points. 4 times the points, guys. So if you spend $100 on gift cards, you're going to receive 4 times the points, which gives you 400 Kroger Fuel points. So let's say if you go ahead and buy $250 worth of gift cards at Kroger, you're going to receive 4 times the amount, which will yield you 1,000 fuel points. 1,000 fuel points. And what that equates to is for every 1,000 fuel points, you will receive $1 off per gallon of fuel that you fill up your gas tank. Now, if you have a 35-gallon tank in your vehicle, you can receive $1 off per gallon, which will equal to $35 off of your fuel fill up. This is free money, guys. You don't need to sleep on this. Everybody needs Visa gift cards or Mastercard gift cards. You can use those anywhere. In addition, they also have other gift cards that you can actually buy, such as Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, other type of places that you already shop at, but you need to take advantage of this deal because this can save you money on your fuel fill up. I do it all the time. If you don't have a 35-gallon tank on your vehicle, then take both of your vehicles up there and fill them both up at the same time so you can actually receive $1 off per gallon on up to 35 gallons fill up. Yes, this is Kroger. If you live in other cities or states around the U.S., I believe they're Myers, but you can look it up. I'll drop a link down below and you can click on to see which location is located near you so you can take advantage of this. You don't want to miss out. I take advantage every time this deal comes around because it is free money. I usually go and purchase about $50 worth of Chick-fil-A gift cards, Chipotle gift cards, and other restaurants that I'm already going to eat at. I just purchase them there so I can receive the benefit. And an extra incentive is because you're going to be purchasing these gift cards with your own credit card. So depending on what credit card you have and how many points you receive from making purchases at supermarkets or grocery stores, that's considered double stacking, double rewards. You're going to receive both sides of it, okay? So this is definitely a benefit that I wanted to share with you guys to take advantage of. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'll put all the links down below so you can click on them to check them out. And like I said, it's this weekend only, so you need to take action today so you can receive free money off of your next gas fill up. $35. If you like the content in this video, go ahead and drop a like down below. It definitely helps out with the channel, as well as if you have not already subscribed to the channel, it's time to do it now. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload new content, because I'll be dropping all types of deals and things like that for you to receive, and you don't want to miss out on it. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.